the shores of Edo cyberspace, they'll feel they relate, they listen to you and your amiable wife. People for Delta, Lagos, Abuja. Who knows? Someone if it doesn't, man, let's invite this guy for a motivational talk show. Sir, you are a motivational speaker. You are eloquent. You're good. You know what you're doing. So I want to say a big thank you, sir. That cool. Please continue to maintain your cool. I don't wait. Can I hear nigga? Any laggy? If I need more that the cool, no, you might make a mistake. Please continue to maintain that cool. You hardly join issues with people. Even many people say that you engineer your wife, but I doubt you hardly join issues with people. You understand? Pa Eddie Murphy will talk by June. That's why I always respect you. Even when me and you quarrel, or you so normal go meta because we dear me. Eddie Murphy, I want to say a big thanks to you. Uwese where Ujinu Yeme. Ujinu Yeme no yari 3 days in May. Where about the 3 days in no ya going now. About the 3 days in May. No ya suffering now. Understand? I really appreciate where the 3 days all expire Kotara. And you want me now? Why extend the why they put it 2 weeks in May? You gonna know maybe 3 days in it. You might to deliver. And the Murphy law 3 days is short to be maxing. If I put the nigga at please, and the Murphy law, why they put it 14 days in May? Or my say, and the Murphy law, oh, Mama is okay. Okay, pa, law, why you bother a pack away 3 days not yet, man? You might deliver. Hey, if you have a good if you go, if you need on a soir. Carla qua. You get one of if you need a show I listen to. And if person you call me, if you say before you talk, first talk Carla qua. Yes, I know boy. Wa meti. Wa warrior I bolihi. If you need on a sword. If you need your AKA Kalekwa, I'm not where to color, unless your mom will be color. If you need all color, if you need your or what deal where all video are found, or the way what deal are cut. And the way I feel with you, you know, okay, all color. If you need you, I know I'm not setting color. If you need you, I see you and I see your comment. Please, if you are enjoying this freestyle, it's a freestyle show. This freestyle show that will reduce the tension. Everybody when they verse with the laugh about tonight, me yatewa o tewa move but about ya what damn about now the tension me over reduce. So if you leave your website, share this broadcast, invite your friends, make everybody watch them. Those when they put fire, they go watch them and say, their why I mean na me so Eddie Murphy. I just gotta beg you. The 3 days when you give me to settle you on Papa Wala, not work. Me, I follow you talk just now before I start this live video. Me, I follow Eru Wala talk yesterday. You see the verse, Eru Wala see the verse. So I know if you deliver for these 3 days. Let me just tell you the truth of the matter is Eru Wala's name was badly rubbished. It was dragged to the mud. You understand? So, no expect say it go easy. It go easy for me to bring the both of you together. So, Eddie Murphy, what the 2 weeks me? What the 2 weeks me? Near ya wina. Up 2 weeks too much be. 3 days matter I agree, but Oma say. You see, now one of the bad head over the social media be this. He say, Abat, you dey fear Monica. Abba, you dey fear Monica. No, I don't dey fear Monica, but I dey respect married women. I dey respect married women, not be fear. If I wrong my wife, I fear apologize to my wife. Why not fear apologize to another person when their husband? I dey wrong my wife many times now. If you be married man, you know they tell your wife sorry, you are a useless man. Because women would always offend our wife, unless you don't love your wife. A person when you love like they offend, the person when you love like they hurt. So sometimes now, I feel your time and my wife will just carry face. I just use a rubber body. No, sorry, no verse. So if I can apologize to my wife, why not if you apologize to another person's wife? She's a married woman. You know, we expect at this social media now saying I'm Abba versus married woman. Not possible. So I know they fear Monica, but I respect her. as a married woman. I respect her as my Edo sister. Same thing with Lolo. I don't fear Lolo. I respect Lolo as a married woman. Lolo get husband. I know especially somebody can't do video, they insult my wife. Same thing, I don't feel do video, they insult Lolo or Monica. Or which other people they do social media when you get husband. So please, not push me into any altercation with Monica. I know fear Monica. I respect her. She's a married woman. If she was single, it's a different case. No single girl if come online can rubbish me. I feel not reply back online. May not be like I don't join the do saga, but I know where to respond. All I have to do is they tell all they talk with it, not supposed to talk. I will take note of what they talk. Finish. That's all I need. Archive it. Say I need to use it anytime I'm ready. So please, that commenter, you are a bad person. If you continue to push for this fight, one day your children will still fall into deep shit. Where we say people don't feel put them out of the shit. So Eddie Murphy, please. Lao Egui. 3 days to give me deliver. Eddie Murphy, they watch a while. I will share video like Eddie Murphy. He might deliver my setting. Oh, yeru weko, oh yeru walako. May I tell you why I not deliver Eddie Murphy? Most of the time, not be say now they wake up. Not be say now they wake up to they like to record each other. But because of the steady saga what they do, sometimes if you talk something, nobody they believe. Somebody feel call you now. Hello, Eddie Murphy. Umay na bati ye. Oh, man, no ye. Iya bati je me. Omo wakpa, omo were pa, o na bati wa ya hie, o we kemata, o wa ya hie o ya o were. Abati ya hie were o ya hie tere o. Geni abati ye o geni magi ye be do. Eddie Murphy now for Eddie Murphy now to prove am. If you say okay, all even metana ni record the only way. Oh, I record when you want am away. For Eddie Murphy not to enter trouble, Eddie Murphy go quick look for another phone to recorder. In case Eddie Murphy come attack me say abati who kill otere. Me we man otere we go not tell. Anyway, oh Eddie Murphy. Omo we go pani aka we kill otere. He wa record the way. He want Johnny record the way. That is the reason why many of them they record before. They record before to defend themselves in case you deny. But many people when they do online this, they come misuse them. Many illiterate for social media, they come misuse that. If you even tell person only call your press record. Only good morning your record. You understand? That's why when you are talking to somebody on the phone these days, you need to mind what you say. Be extremely careful. So now Eddie Murphy, now what to make this matter hard me? They will be na record. Me they do wala record. Me do record. If me bu gwe do wala ma conference call. On that no eko, not by to the eko. On that taking on na rongona, not by taking on na rongona. On that I'm on sorry. Me I will mediate. Me I'm sorry. But these days now, me at the bottom wala a conference call. If no wala yon, I get that because them o man do a record. If no warrior, a good attack, when men do what record. So, all see, no, I mean, like a log on now. And the old metam where the mafia away. Eruwala will never come online to apologize to you. Eruwala, Edion Lano, how Eddie Murphy, Iteta, Imagita. Eruwala, Edion Lano, how Eddie Murphy, Egui. Eruwala can never come online to apologize to you because he's a man like you. I know never go. Okpiane is a useless man. Okpiane way over my dead body. I can't do this thing. Okpiane never go. There is Osama Jimade or Jego Lelima. There's no man without ego. Man will not get ego now. Man will say anybody feel for road mess up. They'll say need down. If I go Okpiana Yoma Semana Salaha. Area the Murphy Veye. Imagine how we go pan the Murphy avec la social media. All the way to wala egui it take time, imagita. On that it take time but it may ta or logo because the Murphy get fans. You know go make it fans. Come say the Murphy o so o can say o wa munya weru wala. So at the Murphy, if you are expecting Eruwala to come online to come apologize to you or to come tell you saying I ain't told this one, the Murphy that will not work. Eruwala, if you are expecting Eddie Murphy to also come online to come say, Eruwala, it take time and marketer, it go dey very difficult. Man, not go put eye. Man, not go dey put eye. Why are y'all ye ibate diwan Eddie? So, what I want appeal? Eddie Murphy, don't expect apology. Eruwala, don't expect apology. Let this thing slide. When I'm going to cook now, I get one cool very on it. No get the bed or temu agmoya don't where the person is empty. Eruwala every platform we are going with social media. So Eddie Murphy la wo e ma se we about no of ya me or you do settle or you do agmoya e say about here Eruwala dey go get it. That's what they are using now to blackmail me. Eruwala dey go get about ne na about here no about ya suffer yo about ya ri go ne Eruwala. I don't do that. Eruwala is watching. Eruwala, you don't give me 50 kobo. If you don't give me 50 kobo, create Facebook, create trust me, you right hand. Yes, I was there when Eruwala transfer money to Abat. Okay, too much be. Many of them they were Togberian. Eruwala na Togberian. Eddie Murphy na Togberian. If you na Togberian. Monica Togberian ga no but audio boy ogege. Omaka bo we ni Malika ewe. A boy with a profile shine, but we surprised the way a shine talk, but you know. So in me man, or you have to allow where on my men, make me a lot ne demographic bin and obasaki. O man le Denis Ariye, EPN, Ariye PC, or more well at ya. Demographic more well at ya. Area do while I deliver it to Baha Utesi. I will do while I am do. So these are my people that I love. And if you don't, one man bonnet not saying if you need to do obasaki. If more other people were rubbishing me, where we go, I go, me, marry go near. Even if they don't rubbish me, because I marry go many days. So, please, Eddie Murphy, don't expect apology. Eruwala, don't expect apology. Because I know that if we are able to get Eddie Murphy, we are done with this whole fight. I only have 1,000 people watching. But if I was online now saying, Eddie Murphy, Eddie Murphy, Eddie Murphy. If I want here, hey, why you? Oh, you read me now on the Facebook. How about you? Why you blow Eddie Murphy? Oh, hey, social media. Why not this view for not reach 4,000 now? Or I just come online, Monica, Daddy cool, Eruwala. It was here, Bonia. A view now say 4,000. Any name. Nigerians, year don't gather. Make our video by now. Let me teach you how to do fish farming. Let me teach you how to raise snake. Let me teach you how to do building without crack. That your building can last 40, 50, 60 years without crack. We're mere 100 views. But make I just enter online. Eddie Murphy. I see Eddie Murphy wife for social place 5 years ago. Hey, one man. That's why if you drive for road, you see where people gather, they fight and they fight. Not be money they share, not be better thing they do. See they drive, they come, you see the road block, now fight, now battle they gather Nigerians. But Oyibo, now good thing, and they gather Oyibo. So what you go fit give them knowledge, what you go fit give them something. And they gather. But we gossip, crisis, and they gather us. So I don't care if this video hits 5,000 views, 3,000. If now let 10 people then watch me, make 10 sensible people watch me, may they take something home. So Eddie Murphy, why where Eruwala headed doing your way? Eruwala, why where Eddie Murphy headed doing your way? Or the one slide. Eddie Murphy, there are even where frustrate the human trafficking. All the work Eruwala. Emmanuel Muekiria, Esokikugu, Emmanuel Ria, and Mune Shetrowa. Emmanuel Ria, and Mune Human Trafficking. And work on. So, Eddie Murphy, please go back to that human trafficking. There are 1,001 things you can talk about our race, about our tradition. What talk, mama? What talk, mama? What talk of Orame? What talk about my social media? Man, damn you! Emmanuel, me damn you! I have a gobi. You do a comment. So Eddie Murphy, I want to appeal to you. Apology day. the way akotane dey na bat Eruwala o if anyone like Eruwala now they are sending you wrong things about Eruwala or the audio near circulate is an ikweso abi ikuna gbon abe wobi ebe a matter solve in about our video is audio in support of Eruwala why yes who travel why yes so why you admin if you see anybody will draw a comment to instigate fire for this fight let me know. Right, time I said 10 minutes to go. So Eddie Murphy Lao a man of wisdom just a boy or very well why you cool do what my way cool or ten abu or several must one must cool must how you do boom my cool must to who must cool must do what my cool but whatever you agbe ni whatever you da agbe whatever why are planning babati against each other let it just slide please lao okay the Murphy lao onani okay lao okay kida waye but you want mega relax na mega pregnant relax some be Monica's team okpa mayakin a division error okpa boyakin mega take care easy call take care easy mega my waiting una be team Monica me na team everybody na only one person I not do my good book only one person okpa yakano very good book there awa error arokpa but wani ke osiwe woyakin so wala wo the Murphy please yan we mahia die and italawe emina do way but do una iladia or after 1 week 2 weeks wala iladia just know that he gwan yo agbowe mi aya enewe iyane I've tried my best but the Murphy please don't disappoint you all. This one say Eddie Murphy, Abba tell Eddie Murphy the truth because Eddie Murphy too insult Papa Owala. Okay, shebi the insult when they give Papa Owala, shebi Papa Owala don't come black. Shebi Owala see ne. Why want me Owala to you see? But Eddie Murphy tie ne wan win abegbe. Owala we wa see. Why want me Owala avec trailer avait machine equipment ya no ve e de wa gba me de gbe mi ropa de bon na di mo fitie ne o wa mi eru wa la iyu wa la o wa re mi ye o we ru wa la re ru de bon e di mo fitie ne e bon di mo fitie ne ru wa la e mi pa na o we ru wa la e di mo fi o ye eru wa la eboneru wala we tie ne edimofie o tie wo da o tie wie ke o kran ri tie e be said dimofie gbe because agun uno ya gun thank God we amay me no egie assassin ona ya ge talks aya ge cut it aya agwa le gbe wa so not tell me say edimofie too insulted wala e ma dabo wala ma o lezo na no to why enjoy do mo we go to Ariel Netflix, ya movie be Netflix. Ya movie a few million do why in there with this saga. What Benin entertainment industry wa. Rude saga why in there again the wa kelbo the wa Ariel no Benin. Why ya there le film do wa have yokpa. Wa ya power Lu say ya power ave etimani we movie. Why there with this saga wage ya ga video ya ne ma we movie ya ni an re YouTube wage e de agbe wa go le saga wa hian ge and you people want a development to come to Edo. Am I borrowed Huawei Ebola Garia Wome? No, ya invest here, Yabome. I mean, I want damage Janoya Silebore. Why are Korea Bua? So allow offer allow when he tell that the coup is loaded with content. Eddie Murphy, where they prove to the world where without saga you can deliver. Or how 20, or how 20 or masse. You know what to be peace. Again, I know where I say. Eddie Murphy Tewata. Again, I know where I say. Where I say. But a come away on way for if you want to learn a pa or waro ye we or where you love your co where or wano we ko when I take peace. When I take peace. So a pa now again anybody is to get where remote nobody get your remote. No why you're away Eddie Murphy party wagon Eddie Murphy want relax. Ga boko your ko Eddie Murphy say 100,000 euro whatever in abati. Yeah, about one winner you get. Oh, wait, what? And what? Tell what? The worry about that. Oh, no, what? Go to where I send you going. Oh, what? I'm a yeah, the Murphy. Oh, yeah, la. A party or what? If you live here, or what? Why is there? Why is there? Pa? Allow Monica. Thank you very much. When you carry Tavedo, you have a very big platform. Thank God you have a supportive husband who is very intelligent. One year is studio way. I mean, we are designing here. We are arranging. Never bad that you. No, we like a studio. Whenever you are working, there are 1,001 things you can do with your platform. Mama, now prove to them that you are not empty. Or only as soon anywhere, reply. Shower out with positive content, and I can easily wake up to say that the freeze that the cool do video yesterday. Like only set around. God bless you with a good husband. Hey, we know yaro yawa. Hey, no yaro we children are very, very precious. Yeah, king ma your man ma. Let's not do anything that will make our children question us tomorrow. Daddy, why did you do this? Mommy, why did you do this? Or I don't where do marry back where? Why do I rove you there in Nukau? Or why would you say you not learn from anybody now. You know not be your mama character like this. Like your papa character be this. Go see your mama. Go see what your mama do. Like 5 years ago. Go see how she fool herself on social media. Your daughter, husband, sometimes your son, wife, they say, look at you. You are not even different from your father. That was how they were insulting your father on social media. They politics, my brothers and sisters. They make a key Facebook. They make a social media, fake politics, or do I have a fear with social media? So, Mama Monica, now calm down, calm down. When you hear you, in Monica, unwa ya mwe. Unwa ke lolo, unwa ya mwe. Unwa ke stainless, ke Ivenivier, unwa ya mwe. Unwa ke Eddie Murphy, unwa ya mwe. Unwa ke Faye Bright, unwa ya mwe. Unwa ke Shine Francis Odige, unwa ya mwe. Why we sagana? Why we bina? Eddie Murphy lao. After this video, you have a call you. The way you know. You can't go on a kill a video now. Then anybody run will only call ni gugwa wa gume o say the number the person gume he call otomehie wa me no to wa tiebe imi e Monica na de o here earring baby dollar make na here be do mana maybe we can pick maybe ya anything of am e ti bi are ba ni. No, fear no motor let's use our popularity to make money. O we na me ya we survey vane, ya survey auto vane. O we na. O se ma re lie. So wala wo. See, why your platform wa. Imagine your local government chairman. Our moye, or our more way on a mamuyo or soccer local government winning. Imagine your House of Rep. Imagine your senator, your House of Assembly. Imagine you have a politician now you saga. My brother, here man moima. What are we gaining? We will get the more fee. Then we gain. Facebook are going to be $50. Is that our money? You got money here. $50. Only say and we rake something back or $100. Only say. I say that way when we video wa kulia kwa. Cause here all boy here I'm video that. If you need to said Murphy, here I'm video the platform here. And the movie I will if you need here be move with the platform here. But the movie man reply if you here tell the Murphy. Hey, the Murphy, agree on your side now. If you need you have your or have your ball where you not head them what reply. The Murphy I reply more the platform here. Here all you want, you can go. Yes, Lolo. Okay, may I call Lolo? Lolo go pick. No, I'll try call Lolo. I'll try call Lolo. So allow. Many people still they carry my video. I dey see I don't want punish you yet to why people cannot say about wicked. But people cannot say about wicked. Not they carry my video. Please, not they carry my video. Create your content. Now when they carry people video, so now they cause problem for internet. Now can't give popularity to illiterate. Can't give popularity to illiterate. People don't feel write their name, don't feel spell their name. Now can't give popularity to them now. Now they are now using their popularity to constitute nuisance because they cannot differentiate between A and B. They don't know what to be human rights. They don't know what to be libel. They don't know anything. So now be the problem. How can you give popularity to illiterate? What did the illiterate go use and do? You don't say constitute nuisance because you don't know what to do with that. But there are people that are using their popularity to make serious money. So allow if you Lolo, I don't want to hear anybody mention Lolo children. If we want to continue with the fight, we want to cost on self, we want to remove our children, make we remove our parents, make we remove our husband, make we remove our wife, make we cost on self. If you the mafia we me, erovia the mafia, erovia wuhae. The Murphy, if you live here, erovia ex-boyfriend, erovia rovio. Why we bua? Why if you family wa buy? Why if you more via me buy? Allow. So it is sell a piece rene. That way,